Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Today I'm here with my May kit lineup, which as usual I'm very stoked for. I'm doing a lot in May. Well, okay, not personally, but in my planner I'm doing a lot. May is going to be like a very boring month, so I figured, I would try to make my planner as cute as possible. So, we're doing a lot. But yeah, May to me just screams hollow. So pretty much every single spread has hollow or a hollow variant. So sorry if you don't like hollow, but it's just gonna be one of those months. Okay, so for the week of May 1st, oh my gosh, that is so satisfying. Okay, the week of May 1st through the 7th, we have Breakfast Dreams from CaressPress. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this kit was a stoppage time super sub for me. For months, I was planning to use the Pink Diamond Planner Co. I think like Ethereal Dreams or whatever mystery kit from last year, but at the last minute, I decided that didn't really fit the vibe of the week. And this is a kit that I didn't get to use last year, and it's just like a May kit, like it's a May kit. So I didn't want to push it again. I feel like the other kit is much more anytime. So I didn't want to push this one off for another year. So this was a very, very late game substitution for me. I'm going to be doing a mixed metal, of course. So I'm using the Daisy foil bundle from CaressPress, which is super duper cute. And then for the underlays, I'm doing the like retro checker underlays from Kristen's Planner in blue and pink hollow. And there is this kind of like wavy checkerboard pattern in one of the papers, and I thought that that would be super cute to pull in with the funderlays. So yeah, very excited for this combo. I think it's going to be quite cute. I've never used this style of underlay, so that's a little bit of a wild card for me, but I just think they're so fun, and y'all know I love a good classic checker moment, so I'm very stoked to give those a try. So that was the first week, and then the second week, which will be the 8th through the 14th, is a little questionable, but I'm using Thanks a Brunch, also by CaressPress. This is another kit that is very, very May to me, and I just love this art and these colors so much. It is easily one of my favorite art sets released this year. It's just 10 out of 10, obsessed. So this combo is questionable, so just hear me out. So for the overlays, I'm using the hollow, like floral daisy overlays from SPC. And then you may or may not remember when I hauled this kit, I said that I was going to try to incorporate both the daisies and the grids that are throughout the kit. And I've seen some like super cute patterns on like Pinterest and stuff of like daisies layered over grids. So I'm gonna try it. It could be the fuggliest thing and like the worst decision I've ever made, but someone has to try these things, right? So might as well be me. But I've got some grid underlays in hollow from Plana Hannah, and then some of the in bloom underlays from Linner Designs, and I'm going to be using a mixture of green hollow and blue hollow. So you know what? Wish me luck on this one. I really hope it turns out cute, but you know I'm always rolling the dice, I guess. But yeah, I will be sure to post that base on Instagram. So the week of the 15th through the 21st, I'm using Meadow from SPC. And I do have a code with SPC. It is DOMI10, which you can use at checkout to save if you would like. But this kit is also from last year. Super cute. Did not have the chance to use it last year, so it was a must use for this year. And I was just having a little bit of an existential crisis about what foil I wanted to use with this, because there are so many freaking options. Like, the colors in this are just so cute. You could do regular hollow, blue hollow, pink hollow, purple hollow, really just anything would look super cute with this. Ultimately, though, I did decide to go with purple hollow. I just think since the kit is so purple heavy that the purple hollow is going to be like the perfect complement. So I'm using the Planahana SPC like groovy collab bundle with like the daisies and the smiley faces, and I just think that is going to be like the cutest little combo. So that's that. And then okay, I don't know why I put these things on the internet or why I have these ideas, but for the week of May 22nd through May 28th, I'm using, if I can get it out, the Under the Sea kit from Pink Diamond Planner Co. And I love this kit. It's so freaking cute. I'm gonna be real with y'all. Nobody judge me, but I don't think I've ever actually seen The Little Mermaid. But I needed this kit. It was so cute. It's just like the way this light is like shining down, like just everything about this kit is just a 10 out of 10, so I needed it. I will be seeing the movie whenever it comes out. I'm pretty sure it's that week. Don't quote me, but yeah, I'm not going to pretend that I'm a Little Mermaid fangirl because I'm not. But, just when a kit is good, you know? So I don't have everything to show you right now because I am waiting for an order from Alicia Craft that I just placed a couple days ago for like her mermaid bundle. So all of the like full box and header overlays will be Alicia's mermaid foil in blue hollow. And then I'm going to be using the bubble overlays from Planahana for the washi overlays. And then the mermaid tail underlays in blue hollow. And then of course we've got some questionable decisions being made here, but I don't normally pre-layer because with like solid boxes, since there's like so much foil, like when it's all on the sheet, it can be like hard to line up. But I did pre-layer one just so you guys could see the vision, hopefully. So I'm gonna be layering the mermaid tails over dark purple solid underlays from PlanWithMeStickers. I also do have a code with her, so you can use DOMI15 to save with her and get my cute little freebie. But yeah, I don't know how well this is showing up on camera, but hopefully y'all see the vision. I think that's just gonna look so freaking cool together. So yeah, that is that week. And then finally we have May 29th through June 4th, which is my birthday week. My birthday is the 4th, not that anyone cares, but it is the Ted Lasso series finale, ? They've said that it's the series finale, but there has not been any like official announcement yet. And also all of the promos for this season said new season not final season. So I'm just gonna continue to gaslight myself and be in denial that it's not the last season. So love that for me. But you know, being that it is probably the last season, RIP, we've got to do it up big for the lads. We've got to go hard for Richmond, you know, Richmond till I die. But yeah, this also like fits. So like I had to like push this kit to the next week, which is fine, but this actually works out quite well because we're going to both the Crew and Crew 2 games that weekend for my birthday, so this works out quite well. So if you saw my World Cup spread, I did sparkly blue, sparkly red, and sparkly hollow, but since AFC Richmond's colors are like blue, red, and yellow, I'm gonna play into that. So we've got the Soccer 2 underlays from Planet Hannah as per usual in sparkly hollow and sparkly red. And then I've got some soccer bits and bobs from Leonard Designs that I foiled in sparkly gold. And then I also have a like sparkly chunky gold foil bundle from SPC that I will probably also pull in. So yeah, that is the full combo for that week. It's a lot, but you know, we've got to go full sparkle for Ted Lasso and for my birthday. It just would not feel right to not do as much sparkle as possible on my birthday. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up this lineup video. I would love to know what you're using in May, and thank you as usual for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Later days.